This is where the gas grill is located, underneath this canopy. I've already removed the cover. That should be on there. I'm going to show you how to light it. You're going to open up this down here, and you're going to turn this knob counterclockwise. Let's open it. Lift the grill. You don't have to use, there's 5 burners, or six burners. You don't have to use them all if you don't want to, but you can turn one on. Push this to light, and you can see the flame going. If you want more burners, push it light, and you've got the other ones going too. So just make sure when you turn it off that you come down here and turn it clockwise to turn it off. And after it cools down, if you can put the cover back on. And when you grill, this is on wheels, please move it away from the house, and either in this location where it's not underneath this canopy, or you can move it over to the pool area if you want to be over there watching people in the pool. Thanks, guys.